What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the V4R. I don't even know if this video is gonna make it. It's one of these videos that I am just filming just to film, honestly. The new clutch plates are on this bike, new clutch fluids, because this bike does have a hydraulic clutch, and figured out pretty much what was kind of like the issue with the whole like bike shutting off, because I told you guys in that video where the bike felt like it was stalling, but it wasn't stalling because I wasn't even like nearby the friction zone. And pretty much what was happening is that, what the, okay, something is still off. Pretty much like there was some dirt, so like it had to be like bled and cleaned up pretty much, and that should fix that issue, because the bike literally, as soon as I like let go slightly of the clutch when I'm like stopped or trying to roll, the bike would just die. And I'm like, it's not stalling because it's not even like jerking, it's just completely just dying in place. But yeah, this bike is not really fun to work with. I mean, Ducatis, you know. But at least now the clutch should be good. I don't know why I had a hard time finding neutral just a second ago, but I will get that sorted out too and see what's the issue with that. But the clutch should be good at least for another like 2,500 miles, and then after that I'm gonna have to pretty much get a new basket for this bike. The next 2,500 miles, I was saying, I'm gonna get like a basket for the clutch, because that is like wearing out, but it's not like I don't need it replaced yet. Another thing that the bike needs that I forgot about is tires, actually, so we'll probably get to that next time maybe. I don't know, all my bikes need a lot of maintenance, so I'm kind of like losing track of what needs what. But what else do we have? The R1M, we already got like a lot of work that we're about to do shortly to the bike. Should be next week. That bike is gonna get spark plugs, new tires. I'm trying a new brand of tires that I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about. And besides tires, spark plugs, I might be just like changing my brake pads and rotors as well. You know, prepping it for the track, but we'll get to that once we get to the bike. The good news is that I'm finally starting to work on bikes. That's why like I'm always procrastinating doing maintenance on bikes, because man, I feel like this is one of those things that is just like me working on bikes, and even taking them to places, the simplest jobs sometimes take longer, and for whatever reason it's not like it's never simple or easy with me doing maintenance or like putting parts on my bikes, which is funny because I love upgrading and putting parts on my vehicles. So it's kind of a love-hate relationship, you know, where I'm like, I get so excited when I get parts, but then I'm like, oh man, I gotta deal with the install, or you know, getting it installed or whatever. But yeah, it's definitely not too much fun, but once you get to see the final product, it's always like worth it. I'm like, yes, I'm happy with it. But yeah, hopefully I should start Okay, imagine if like this truck just dumped all this grass on me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yep, stuff is flying on me. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing like more of the maintenance on my bikes. This bike is not done yet, but almost done, but at least like the clutch plates are replaced. It makes me feel better about riding it. Got that issue sorted out. I still need, I think there's like a little spacer that broke that needs to be replaced, so we'll be doing that too. But come on, I like this turn. But yeah, then after that we're gonna be doing the H2, hopefully it's gonna be soon, so we can like get that fixed and all. And then after that we're gonna be doing the, let me see, I think, yeah, that's it. The R1M and the M1000 should be fixed very soon. Talk about, I don't really know, man. I just went on a ride to pick up the bike and I was like, oh, let me record and film the camera and just kind of update you guys on what's going on with all my bikes. I do have a big surprise that I kept till around the end of this video. This video is probably, I don't even know if it's gonna make it. It's like super short. I might post it as a bonus video for you guys, but I have a surprise hopefully coming next weekend. I got news about the M1000RR. It should be ready next week. Hopefully that bike should be back, and then we're finally gonna start doing the build on it, because I needed like all this whole time I was just waiting for like OEM parts, because that bike needed a lot of parts from Germany that were on back order. So now finally we're getting like the last parts and we're putting it all together, so at least it's rideable, and then we're gonna start the rebuild process. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short boring video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. I think we might have hit 500,000 by the time I post this video. I don't even know, but thank you so much for the continuous support. I really appreciate all of you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.